Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this guide video, I'm simply going to guide you on how you can change the thumbnail of your Facebook's video post. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So how to change the thumbnail of Facebook video post. Now maybe you've uploaded a video to your Facebook page and you have no idea on how you can actually change the thumbnail. You want a custom thumbnail than the default one. If you want to learn that, then you want to simply make sure to watch today's video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can do that very easily. First of all, if I open my Facebook right over here, and then if I go to my pages section and then I show you a particular photo, for example, let's say that this is a page on which I have uploaded a video. Now if I actually want to edit the thumbnail of the video which I have uploaded, you will find that we don't actually have any option. Even if I tap on edit post, you can see we don't have the option to actually change the thumbnail. So how do we change the thumbnail of Facebook video post? The thing is, you will not be able to change the thumbnails from the Facebook app itself. What you have to do is, if you are on your Android or iOS, it doesn't really matter. You want to open your app store. In the search box, you want to type in Facebook Creator Studio, and Facebook has a separate Creator Studio application for itself, so you can go ahead and download this application. After you download it, I'm going to simply open Creator Studio, and you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and it will also ask you to select a page. So go ahead and select your Facebook page as well, and after you select your Facebook page, you can see it is going to look somewhat like this. At the bottom, you want to simply tap on this post icon or the second icon which you see. Once you tap on this icon, it will show you a list of all of the published or scheduled or draft posts which you have on your Facebook page. So let's say I want to change a thumbnail of a Facebook video post which is already published. So from here, you want to simply go ahead and select the video on which you want to edit the thumbnail. For example, let's say that this is the video. Now after we tap on the video, let's say we want to change the thumbnail of this video. What we want to do is, from the bottom of the menu, you will find this pencil icon. So we want to go ahead and tap on this pencil icon. As you tap on this pencil icon, here at the bottom you'll find an option called thumbnail. So go ahead and simply tap on the add button, and then you can simply select any of the thumbnails which you want to from your gallery. Once you select your custom thumbnail, you can come back and you can simply tap on save. At the bottom of the menu, this option will be enabled once you change your thumbnail, and your changes will successfully take place. So in this way, you can very easily actually change the thumbnail of Facebook video post. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, simply comment down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.